Hello, I'm Dylan, an instructor at Artech camps, and I'll be going over the requirements for our game design camp. Here on the webpage for our Pac-Man to Pokemon game design camp, you can scroll down and look at the requirements for it, as it needs Gamemaker Studio 2. Some further description here. All of our camps use Zoom, and there's another video that can teach you how to create a Zoom account. Now, Gamemaker should work on any computer that's not too old. It should be less than 5 years, should be good. And it'll work on Windows or Mac computers. You can download it and install it from the website by registering for the 30-day free trial here, which will prompt you to create an account. Once you've created an account, though, it'll take you to this dashboard page where you can click on View Downloads and then select the correct version to download. Once you have it installed, it'll look something like this, and you'll just need to log in.